When the officers came, the police officers came, they actually found sugar here. And this morning we decided to come as a county security team to verify for ourselves. Now what we found here is 12,400 bags of sugar. They imported about 14,800 bags. They've already sold 2,000 to Broadway's bakery. This sugar is being kept in Primarosa. Primarosa, as you know, has always been a factory that, or a place where we have flour growing. So it was of interest to us to find out why the sugar is kept here. And as a security team, we have decided that this place will be condemned off as KEBS further tests the sugar, just to ascertain themselves that it's good for human consumption and is not the sugar that has been brought in, the substandard sugar. This sugar was imported by Express Kenya Limited, one of the farms that have been highlighted as ones that bring in contraband sugar, but we are not so sure. We are not saying that it's bad.